Need to hear it. Need to hear it. Need to hear it.
Get the wolf, get a handle, get a grip, get ammo. It's the return of camo. A hit when it hits a trip with this candle. Anywhere can do anything, attitude I stick to gets me this candle. Lit in this wick of this candle's been lit by this vandal. Eminem sick, this kid sick and dismantled. From the trench of Atlanta to the sea of Alabama. For me to be another channel, for you to surf and scramble. Turn so many lies, I bust so much fire that my dick's a Roman candle. Sit so up high, sit so much jack that my last name should have been Daniel. Yeah, and I'm standing on this fucking stage. I come from the bottom of a bottle to the top hill. I'm talking lemonade from lemons. Bitch, don't give me now. Shady booty on the front row. Bow, crank it. I need to hear it. No accident, my track list has got classics. I'm radio, I'm active, yeah, pick it up, beauty. They told me that I wouldn't do shit, and that I wouldn't make it. I just smiled and grabbed my nuts, fuck them. Sometimes you know. Cause when I realized I was the only one that would ever fuck up what I get, I never look back and I took my demo everywhere I went, you know. I was kicked down, then kicked again, till I was kicking in every locking hinge. Drop my friends, trying to hold me back so I could hit the road and rock again. And there they are, but I'm standing on this fucking stage. I come from the bottom of a bottle to the top hill. I'm talking lemonade from lemons. Bitch, don't give me now. Shady booty on the front row. Bow, crank it.
Girlfriends, that band's got a cold friend. That bra got a cold blood.